Hey guys, Patricia Zars here, your Texas pool concierge. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Here on Pool Talk with Trish, we talk a lot about pools, and specifically we talk a lot about fiberglass pools. We've covered a lot of the different benefits of fiberglass pools, one of which is an easier installation process. And the installation process is quite different than that of a concrete pool. Mainly because a concrete pool is constructed at the actual project site, where a fiberglass pool is delivered as a one-piece shell ready for installation. So you may be wondering, what is the installation process like for a fiberglass pool? Well, today on Pool Talk with Trish, we're going to answer just that, and I'm going to go over a 6-step process for the installation of fiberglass pools. So let's dive in. Okay, so what is the process of installing a fiberglass pool? I'm gonna make it seem fairly simple on this video, but I want you to keep in mind, with the installation of any swimming pool, whether it's a concrete pool constructed there at the project, or whether it's a fiberglass pool where the shell is brought in by a dealer and then installed in your yard, installing a swimming pool is a science, and it really needs to be done by experienced installation crews. But I want you guys to have a basic understanding of the different steps that are involved in the process of installing a fiberglass pool. So step number 1 is the layout of the pool. It's measuring and marking the location of where the pool is going to be installed. So a basic outline will be marked on the ground, and this ensures that the pool gets installed in the correct location. Step number 2 is excavation, or digging the hole. And when the hole is dug, it needs to be fairly precise because the outside wall of the hole is actually going to serve as support for the pool once it's in. Once they dig the hole, they will groom, if you will, the edges of that hole so that the pool will fit precisely in the hole. Step number 3 is setting the pool in the hole. Now this can be a pretty exciting one because typically what happens is the pool is brought in on a trailer and then a crane is used to hoist the pool up off the trailer, often over the house, and then very strategically set down into the hole that has been dug. This step will often bring out a lot of the neighbors because it's pretty fun and exciting to watch. At this same step, the installation crew will typically install the plumbing hardware on the pool. Step number 4 is adding the water and backfilling. So while they fill the pool full of water, they're also going to backfill the space that is between the pool shell itself and the ground. And this will ensure that the pool is level while also being nice and snug in the ground and allowing the pool to retain the flexibility it needs to shift if the ground moves in the future. Step number 5 is installing the equipment. So the final plumbing will get installed on the pool as well as the pool's equipment, the things like your pump and your filter and potentially a heater. So at this point, the pool is in the ground, full of water running. But what's left? The final step, which is the decking around the pool. So decking is a term loosely used for whatever surface is going to be installed around the pool. So concrete can be considered decking, any kind of stone like flagstone or brick or even wood decking. And then at this same stage, of course, any other things that you want to install around the pool as far as additional landscaping or anything else to spruce up the surrounding area around your pool. And then once the area is cleaned and prepped, it's ready for you to enjoy. So I know I've made the process seem pretty simple, and that is one of the great benefits about the fiberglass pools, is the installation process is much more simple and it takes less time than your other types of pools. If you have any questions at all, just reach out. You can always call or text 210-834-7054. I'm always here to answer any and all of your pool questions. I look forward to talking to you soon, and I look forward to helping you get swimming. Oh, and while you guys are here, I'd love to see your comments as always. And if you like this video, if you found the information valuable, like it, share it out with anyone else you feel may benefit from it. And if you're on my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and you hit that little bell icon so that you get notified of any new future content. I'll see you guys soon.